Good morning, it's Alan from Crossings Toyota Centre here in Naas, just making a quick walk around video of this beautiful Corolla. It's a 192 demo model. It's a Corolla Saloon Hybrid Luna Sport. The Luna Sport is the higher up version of the vehicle. Very nicely kitted out car. It's finished with diamond cut alloy wheels, tinted windows. It's got electric folding mirrors, reverse colour camera, lots of nice bits and pieces on this car. Excellent condition. It's one of our current demos, this car. It's only ever been used by members of staff. It has 24,500 kilometres on it. It's got multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Hybrids, of course, are all automatic. Heated seats in the Luna Sport as well, with two settings on them. Dual zone air conditioning, satellite navigation. It's got a reversing camera. Very well kitted out indeed. The Luna Sport also has the two-tone colour interior. The top half of the dashboard in a cream. Electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensor wipers. It's got the chrome trim around the windows there as well. ISOFix mounting points in the rear, centre armrest, rear headrests. It's also got heated seats in the rear, which is very nice. So any questions, if you'd like to arrange a test drive, give us a call. We'd be delighted to help you out. Thank you.